Guys, have you ever used this command? So tech support. If you are the working professional network engineer, you know this. Tech always ask for this. And it is a single command that collects a snapshot of entire device health in one go. Like instead of running multiple show commands on the router, so tech support automatically bundle everything together. Like so version will give you the output of system health, like software version, uptime, hardware information. So this command is going to include everything about system health, right? It will give you information about software version, uptime, hardware information. Even it will include all information about so environment all. If you are going to use this particular command individually, so environment all, it will give you the information about temperature, fans, power supply, right? And this command includes that as well. After that, it will give you the information about resource utilization. Like for that you are using a particular command, so processes cpu, right? To check cpu utilization on the device, memory usage, right? cpu usage. So those all things will be included under this command. After that, it will also give you the interface status information. Like you are running command so ip interface brief, to check the ip address, status of interface, up or down, line protocol, admin port, right? Or so controllers information, to check the physical error like crc error or drop on the particular interface. So this command will include those all informations. Then about the routing and protocols, like so ip route or routing table, so ip osp, bgp, eigrp, depending on the protocol, all the logs, errors, everything is included in this command. If you will use it, right, you can gather the output, and that output includes everything, the entire health of this device. This is, it is similar like the full body checkup of the router. And this is the reason why tech always ask for this. When a router has issue, tech will always ask you for it. If you open a cisco tech case, first thing they say is please collect so support output, and this is the command which you will use for that, right? Because it has all in one information. Now tech can analyze offline without live device access. Even they don't need access of your device. And it can help to troubleshoot, like faster troubleshooting, because otherwise tech engineer or you have to run so many so commands, more than 30 commands, 50 commands sometime, one by one. So you will run only one command and you can save lots of time. And if I will talk about the output, so see the output. See everything is there or not. Even we can filter the output. You can see about the crc error and those all things. Now you can even filter the output, right, by using include command. What you want to include, let's suppose include crc, right? It will take some time. And I remember when I was working in Airtel, many time I was using this command. Right, it can take some time, but you can filter the output. So just this was a small video to let you know, if you don't know the most useful or most important command to gather all information about your device. Thank you guys. If the video is was helpful for you, please like the video. If you are new on the channel and learning at PM networking, please subscribe this channel and share your feedback. Thank you so much. We'll meet soon in next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.